friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 3 of my November tag a day. So let's get right into what I used for today's tag. I used the Cat Scrappiness Crafty Kawakas stamp set. They are just adorable and doing their crafty thing. I used the Crafty Kawakas paper pad. It's a really cute paper pad, and I like that it has like some of the kawakas on it, but then it also has some more like, I don't know, like basic patterns too that you can mix with it. Really cute. I used the Cat Scrappiness Stitched Scalloped Nesting Tags. They are such a great, I love the little stitch detail and the scallop detail at the end. And there's 4 of them, and great set of tags. And then I also used the Cat Scrappiness gift card pocket. So that might give you an inkling about what my tag is today. It's a rather large tag. It is that largest die, but it is a gift card holder. Back just as cardstock, and look at that, I got my stamp on there the right way. Just some ribbon at the top, use that paper, and then there's that little crafty kawaka. He's making a little card, and then the gift card comes right out, so you could give a crafty gift to a friend. I like the size of this. It could almost just be a card. You could easily write your message there. But yeah, I thought it turned out really super cute. It was really easy to put together, the gift card pocket. I always get worried when there's dies like that, but it was super easy. And yeah, so there's a little close-up of that little crafty critter. So cute. I did color this, and then I added the polka dots to kind of go with that paper. You can see that paper, and I like that rainbow stripe there. I was happy I found some ribbon that matched. And there is my tag for day 3. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I will be back tomorrow. And I think that's all I have for you. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.